Hello friend, thank you so much for clicking this video. I'm Sunday Oyewale, and in this video I want to show you how to get the shape of your sole out. If you're working on a freewear sandals, summer sandal like this, how to get the shapes out, that's what I want to show you in this video. If you're a first timer, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button, and at the end kindly give us a thumbs up for this video. This video is a complete production of Octo's School of Shoemaking, where we take non-techie how to improve your craft. Let's go see how I get this out. Fire this last. To make it fire this last, you come with your last this way. Remember, last has been making the shape of human foot of it. I will just be adding 1 centimeter to it. 1 centimeter to it at the front, and while I leave here like that. At the top, I add 1 centimeter, I have a round groove. I have here, this is the act in this. So it's very unique. It's very unique. So pattern. Away from the regular round tip, having a unique shape. In fact, drawing this is just limited to what you can think of. You come over and you come in here and you want to have a very unique thing. Look at that. So we have on screen. I want to make it unique like that. Trying to draw that out. What is on screen is how we get it out. It's a unique shape of sole. Very big and spacious. And what is next is for us to cut it out. You need to cut it out. Cut it out. The total. Then come and cut it out. I can use my knife to cut it. Here it is. Here it is. Then I use the scissors to balance it. Balance the edges. The knife is not cutting out straight. Trim it off. To balance. Right. The shapes is out. The next thing we need to do now is to then go. The shape is out. We've balanced it.